The truth is that audio will always be part of our daily lives. Whether it's music, podcasts, or calls, good earbuds make a huge difference. But for years, premium sound also meant premium prices. And if you wanted great ANC, crisp audio, and long battery life, you had to pay top dollar. But what if I told you that technology today is changing that? That premium features are becoming way more accessible without the premium price tag. Today, we are going to be talking about the Master Buds from Noise. And the big thing is that it's engineered in collaboration with Bose to deliver flagship level sound, responsive noise cancellation, balanced tuning, and an elegant design. Full disclosure, this is not a paid review, no money changed hands, and I'm not being sponsored in today's video. I hopped on a call with the team at Noise where they walked me through all the features of the Master Buds. This is so I can be informed and share my honest thoughts with all of you on whether these earbuds are worth picking up. So, do these earbuds live up to the hype? Let's find out. Let's first see what's in the box. I just have to say that it's such a callback to Apple with the way you open the box, because all you have to do is to peel this sticker and inside you'll see a USB-C charging cable, 3 sizes of ear tips for a custom fit, the user manual, and of course, the Master Buds. Just so you know, Noise is one of India's leading consumer audio brands, known for delivering high-quality yet affordable products. And with Bose helping engineer the Master Buds, expectations are pretty high. Now let's talk about the design. The case itself has a geometric and minimal design. The front features a sleek metal disc detail reminiscent of vinyl records, and I find it cool that they added this kind of detail to the design language instead of just incorporating the usual oval bill design we commonly see on earbuds. Now, I actually talked with the product designer about this one. You see this light bar on the front? It subtly glows when pairing or charging, and it also represents the traditional vinyl needle. They mentioned to me how they drew a lot of inspiration from the original king of lossless audio, which is of course the vinyl player. On top, you'll see the Noise and Bose logo, a USB-C port below, and the back just has a middle button for pairing purposes. The case is pretty lightweight and easy to fit in your pocket too. Opening it up, you'll see the Master Buds, which are color matched to the case. The earbuds themselves are pretty lightweight. I personally have sensitive ears, at least in terms of fit, but I have to say that there was a time when I was listening to music in bed and I felt like I was wearing nothing. So I should be able to say that they're pretty ergonomic and designed for all day wear. In terms of finish, they come in 3 colorways. You can get them in titanium, onyx, and silver. So there's a color option for everyone. I have here the titanium and the onyx finishes. But as always, great design means nothing if the sound isn't up to par. With Bose co-engineering these buds, they're able to not only pack in deep bass, clean mids, and crisp highs, but they are also able to mix and match those frequencies well to create a more balanced sound for the listener. This is possible through the 12.4mm PEEK plus titanium drivers that are within the buds themselves. And honestly, they do sound great. The bass is punchy but not overwhelming, vocals come through crystal clear, and the instrument separation is better than most earbuds at this price. Plus, they also support LHDC audio codec, which means higher quality streaming up to 900 kilobytes per second, which is 95% close to the original sound recording. Compared to the AirPods, Apple's tuning on paper is still a bit more balanced, but for the price, they are seriously impressive. They also included 3 microphones in each of the earbuds, and they noticeably do a very good job at making your voice sound clearer during calls. Now, one of the biggest selling points, of course, is its active noise cancellation. Noise claims these buds can block out up to 49 dB of background sound, and in real-world use, they actually perform really well. They easily cancel out constant noises like traffic, air conditioning, and office chatter. One thing I noticed is that immediately when I put them in my ears, the ANC activation is pretty fast. And apart from fast pairing and fast ANC, I can actually hear how responsive the ANC is in terms of cutting frequencies that can potentially interrupt your audio listening. And if you need to hear your surroundings, the transparency mode does a solid job. Though voices can sound a little digital. Not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind. Battery life is another huge win. Initially, when I got this, I used it every day for a straight week. I hopped on calls with it, I listened to my mixes with it, and I went to the gym with it. Although I didn't use it for hours straight, I am still impressed with the case's battery life, and I only had to charge it because I wanted to test its fast charging feature, which I will be talking about in a bit. So you get up to 6 hours of playtime on a single charge and 44 hours total with the case. But the real game changer is the InstaCharge feature. Just 10 minutes of charging gives you 6 hours of playback, which is something even some of the most premium earbuds don't offer. It's 2025 and I think that every pair of earbuds should have this feature. The Noise Master buds can also be fully customized through the Noise app. You can tweak the EQ settings, adjust ANC levels, and even update firmware straight from your phone. You can also customize the touch controls to your liking. By default, you can tap once to play or pause a song, tap twice to skip to the next song, and tap thrice to go back. Noise control also has this visually beautiful UI that allows you to see your adjustments for when you shift from ANC to transparency mode. They also support dual device pairing, so you can switch seamlessly between your computer and phone, which of course is a must-have for work and productivity. And with in-ear detection, playback automatically pauses when you take them out. Small details, but they can make a big difference. Now in terms of downsides and considerations, of course no product is perfect. The Master Buds do not support wireless charging, which is a little disappointing given the premium feel. The transparency mode could also be a little bit more natural, and while the sound is great for casual listeners, audiophiles might still prefer something with even more tuning flexibility. But considering the price and features, these are small trade-offs. So who are these for? If you want great ANC, premium sound, and long battery life without paying a hefty sum, the Noise Master Buds are an excellent option. Apart from the modern features, if you're looking for a TWC design for lossless audio consumption and balanced tuning, they also have those. If you're deep in the Apple ecosystem or need absolute best-in-class ANC, you might still prefer the AirPods, but for most people, these buds are a serious contender, especially because of the thoughtful engineering behind it. So are these the best budget-friendly AirPods alternative? Maybe not budget-friendly, but for a 110 to 130 US, they're hard to beat. Great sound, strong ANC, Bose engineering, and insane battery life, all without spending a fortune. That's, of course, if you do not mind not having any magnetic wireless charging, or if it's not a deal breaker for you. So what do you think? Would you buy these over the current AirPods? Let me know in the comments, and if this video helped you, consider subscribing for more tech and design content. For behind the scenes and updates, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Threads. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. With that said, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Oh, and of course, if you guys want to pick up one of these, link is in the description down below.